leaving the Upper Lehman Campground for the last time. We're headed over to the Visitor Center, Great Basin National Park, I think. Today we are scheduled to go up through Ely, Nevada, and then on to Wendover. We'll get some lunch in Ely. Cruising through these mountains. I think these mountains are just a little bit northwest, west-northwest, Great Basin. So it does say in Nevada this is a chain up area during the winter, so probably going to go fairly high. I don't know what the altitude is yet. We're still going up though. It's fairly cool. It's cooling off. Anyways, looks like Courtney's bike's doing okay. She drops back a couple of times, but I don't know if that's her or if the bike's trying to work harder than it has fuel to deal with, or what the deal is. I've got my cruise set, so hopefully I'm setting a decent steady pace. Hopefully by the time we get to lunch at Ely, Courtney will have a better idea of how our bike's handling, what it's doing. I believe it's starving for fuel, personally. It could be the fuel filter we put in line, or it could be the petcock's not letting enough fuel through. It's a vacuum petcock. Or she could be gummed up somewhere. She could have junk in some jet somewhere screwing her over. I would think that the gunk in the jet would not be intermittent, though, where the fuel not coming from the gas tank fast enough could be a problem. So that really didn't say what the altitude was, that peak right there, but oh well, here we go. Going back downhill. This right here, this is wide open Nevada, that's for sure. So over to our right here, we have got a windmill farm. Look how nicely those windmills are all lined up. Sorry, I gotta keep driving at the same time. I don't look at those windmills. staggered. Makes sense. Well, we are in the next of Nevada's mountain ranges here. I guess they're probably not a little. Speed limit is dropped for this one, so we're doing 60 miles an hour instead of 75. But it's probably some twisties to be had here. Don't know how fast I want to try to take it. Problem with going over the speed that's posted in twisties is they don't generally mark corners that you can take at the speed limit with a varying speed limit sign or reduced speed limit sign. So you could hit a corner at 70 in a 60 mile an hour zone. It's not marked at all as a danger, and then you go flying around that corner way too fast because they didn't warn you, because they don't have to, because they already told you to just go slow. So I always try to keep it to a dull roar in the canyons, especially canyons I don't know. Anyway, here we are doing some twisties in Nevada. Well, we're in Ely, Nevada. Gonna go get some food. Seems that Courtney's motorcycle's made it all the way. I Can't wait to hear the report. So this was it. It doesn't look like they're permanently closed, but they sure aren't open. Yeah, they're a burger place. Yeah, that's happened before. So I got nothing. We need to go the other direction, though. When we turned left, we actually need to go right. And we're going to need to get gas for Courtney. Yeah, there's more on the way out. We can find one on the way out, find one on the right, maybe. Find some food place on the right. I don't know, man. You can if you want. Well, American food, restaurant, sit down, maybe. I don't know. Not a drive-through necessarily. That was actually not a bad ride, man. There's a Shell on the left past the right turn. Chevron. Hotel and Casino, Holiday Inn. That was on my list. Like, keep going down this same direction. Nardies. Okay, that was on my list. No, I think you're right. Okay, you got it on your map. You want to gun us in there? Because I'm not seeing it on my map. And because I'm trying to navigate, it's always, my map is fucking around. Okay. I'll go first as long as you let me know.
Yeah, they do. Not going very fast either. Oh, that guy's giving us a break. No, he did not. So you're talking there's a road, huh? There's a road right here. I don't know, what the hell? Yeah, it is. So that Nardi's is closed. No, I didn't even see it. Huh. Yeah. We're gonna have to turn around. Problem is, I don't know if they're gonna let kids into bars and grills. There's a joint down there. Here's the Buffalo Grill. Denny's. That is kind of lame for this kind of trick. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, that never helps. No. Shorty's food truck. I really like some air conditioning though. Yeah, there's that Nardi's. That Hunter's pisses me off. I was looking forward to that. It's always good to try to find the world's best burger, you know. I did. The first window on the far side there said closed. No, it doesn't say any hours either. Yeah. Right. There's a cemetery. It's always closed though. Okay, I'm gonna take a right. See what we can find down here, I guess. There's McDonald's on the right. Where's the Carl's Jr.? It's past the McDonald's. Going straight. Well, this says straight or turn. Yeah, let's go in there. Yeah, bummer. See any shade? Okay, what's your plan? Several what? We saw the pizza place. We decided not to ride the rest of the day with heartburn. Like, there's nothing. Everywhere we wanted to go was closed. And if we'd have kept going down the road, because we were just going to go, we need to go that way. There were no restaurants listed at all on Google. There were a bunch of bar grills. They're always sketchy though, if they'll let the kids in or not. He said maybe you should try calling that Hunter's place. Maybe they got a message on their machine. They're supposed to be open.
I know, I saw that. I was scrolling through Google with you guys, and the bars and grills, like, I just don't know if we'll get the kids in. We're gonna end up eating in the parking lot.
Right.
So
Fantastic.